Welcome to the unverted new Nubia Red Magic 7, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's unlock the device. And after that, let's launch the settings app and then scroll down to the security section. After that, you'll see here SIM card lock section. Tap here once, and just to turn off SIM pin, you should click here once on this switcher, and now just enter currently pin code of your SIM card. In my case, that's from 1 to 4, and then just tap here to OK, and that's it. We just successfully removed SIM pin from SIM card on our Nubia device. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.